Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use group profiles on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started our video. First of all, you have to go at the App Store and find their Instagram and then click on the Instagram and open it. Before doing this, make sure that you have a latest version of Instagram in your Android phone. Then you have to click on the plus icon at the bottom of the page. You will find here such type of the interface. You have to click on the camera option here. You will find here the such type of the interfaces like post, stories, reels and live. At this interface you will find here the option of the groups profile on Instagram, but it is unavailable for me because it may taking a while to have this feature in my Instagram. As you should have a latest version of the Instagram in your Android phone, then you can do this easily. Here you will find the groups profile on Instagram and you will be easily creating the groups profile on Instagram. By doing this, simply you have to click on the plus icon at the bottom and then you have to go here at the reels or the live. Then you will be able to find here the Instagram's group profile. Guys, this was the video for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video a lot, and give this video thumbs up if you like the video, and also subscribe my channel as this is Let Me Guide. Thank you for watching.